morning, everybody. I found a good early morning, cloudy, cold activity. Now, you guys know I have taken you to lots of famous prisons around the United States, including the Yuma Territorial Prison in Arizona. We went to Alcatraz Island together, remember that? Here's a new one. This is a state frontier prison here in Rawlins, Wyoming, and they are open for only 3 hours today for tours. Let's go check it out. Here's the outside of the prison. They do tours, so they only have one tour at 10:30. Okay, getting ready to go on the tour, and I was informed that cats are allowed in the prison tour. Yes! Jackson's gonna be so happy. It's a trick, Jackson, actually dropping you off at prison. Yeah.
My name is Galen. I'll be the tour guide.
Hi, Galen. I'm Eric.
Hi, nice to meet you. And this is Jack.
Jax, yes.
Now, we don't really like to beat around the bush here, so we're going to start things off with an execution.
There you go.
This man will be told to step onto the platform. Eventually, water bucket would get light enough. The cat right sitting here falls off, and down, and he falls to his death.
Terrifying, huh, Jackson?
Didn't like that. When we first put a new inmate in, turn to the officer, they open up the small door. Outside guards escorting the inmate in would pass through all their guns and weaponry and store all that in the white gun cabinet there in the corner. And also on the gun cabinet is the chart where we keep track of where all of our inmates were at all times.
Don't get any ideas, Jax. Bad behavior does not pay off. It doesn't.
You gotta be really dedicated. He was a pain in the butt for like 15 years. We also did serve a dual purpose though. This right here is our punishment pole. If an inmate needed to be disciplined, they'd be brought in here, handcuffed to the pole, and whipped with rubber hoses because they do not leave marks.
Oh, wow.
That was practiced legally as a form of punishment all the way up until 1930. Let's get the visit with the families.
Of course.
Harry. He's been here quite a while.
Yeah, it looks like he's been here a while.
Now, we used this visitation until 1975. We rebuilt on the glass visitor center up front.
Wow.
This is A block, our original cell block. We first opened up in here with 104 cells, no electricity and no running water inside the cell. Each one here is 5 by 7. If we were overcrowded, which often kind of happened, we ended up having to throw 2 men into each cell on bunk beds. The locking mechanism originally were skeleton key, but we figured out pretty quickly our inmates could pick these open very easily. So in 1904, we switched to this system called the Johnson bar. And just like that, every single cell in the entire row is unlocked.
Wow.
You can go ahead and take a look around inside.
When did you add plumbing? Do you remember what year?
1914.
14.
So we finally got the toilets in.
Wow. It's dark. I'll pick you up after the tour, okay? All right.
You might have noticed coming down here, each of the cells is painted a different color. Something we allowed our inmates to do. When you came in, you could pick whatever color you want to paint your cell. Trying to keep up morale, make it a little more cheerful and homey here for the guys. Most go for nice bright cells, but you do get black cells every once in a while. So, each their own. Yeah, these are 10 by 12. At first, though, we tried to stuff 3 men into each cell. Figured out pretty quickly the 2 big guys would pick on the little one. So drop these down to 2 inmates per cell and try to save all the black cells for our trusty inmates only. These are our showers. We have 10 shower heads back there. There would be 30 to 40 men in here at a time, and no hot water until 1978.
Wow.
That's what we call the dark side of A block. Pretty obvious why. Like I said on the other
Oh, this is the north side, so the sun doesn't. Oh, okay.
Yeah, never get direct sunlight over here.
Oh. Jax, could you live here, man?
I don't think so, man. Like the RV.
Solid steel plating in the doors. Only light you'd ever see inside. So we open up the little window to feed you. And you got bread and water only 3 times a day in here.
Cozy.
You can see the window in the back covered by glass for our light bulbs now. And we're using porcelain sinks and toilets. You might be wondering about using porcelain and glass inside a prison. We didn't have too many problems with that because the men over here knew if you broke your window or you're told to try and make a weapon, you'd land over an A block after you got out of the hole. So guys over here pretty much go be on their best behavior. We built on a cafeteria in 1916 and added on a kitchen in 1950. Before that, the kitchen was where the laundry facility is now, which is the window you can see, or building you can see out the windows over here. And we had brought up men eating on wooden tables and benches that were just laid out right in front of their cells in A block. Now, cooking was also one of my trustees. This is what you're given to eat off of. Now, what's the problem with that?
Could be a weapon, maybe.
Yep.
Kind of.
Metal is a horrible idea at present. These are great weapons and always in one. You just feel that.
Wow, that's got a lot of weight to it.
Solid steel.
Can do some damage.
And welcome to Death Row.
Oh.
We have 6 cells up here, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. And most of you only ever had 1 or 2 men up here at a time. The longest man stayed up here was 3 years, and the shortest was a mere 3 months. And once we brought them in up the stairs, they would not go back down alive. Men ate inside their cells, showered in the back corner over here, and the only exercise that they were allowed was an hour a day inside the bullpen of your own cells. And this is the top of our gallows.
Oh, he's standing on the jacks. Don't stand there. Come here.
First underneath this, we had the water bucket mechanisms I showed at the beginning. First I had the gas chamber in though. They throw everything underneath there and turn that into a tool shed. So all that remains of the original gallows is the bolt in the center of the ceiling. That is where the noose would hang. And the trapdoor has been cemented shut. It really doesn't matter how many people I pack in here though, most won't stand on it.
No. Oh boy, I think I know what this is.
This is our gas chamber.
Wow.
Take a moment to show you how this thing works. If you look underneath the chair, you should be able to see a lever underneath. What that would do is drop cyanide tablets into that of sulfuric acid, cause a chemical reaction, creating hydrocyanic acid gas. They put it in here, they strap it to the chair, across the chest, 2 across each arm and each leg. Before they shut the big door in your face, they would tell you to hold your breath.
No meowing. No meowing, guys.
So I tell that in the hopes that you take a big gas for the gas once it's released. More gas you get in, the faster you'll fall unconscious. These men then took about 15 to 30 seconds to fall unconscious and 2 to 5 minutes to finally pass away.
A great tour, a great tour guide. I think my favorite part was the gas chamber, just because I'd never seen one. So that was really neat. They also have a little museum in here we can look around before we head out. Still waiting for that sun to come out. And Jack's got to go to prison. Got to go to prison, man, yeah. Well, it's a no-frills magnet. It was 99 cents, but I think it captures the prison really well. Wyoming Frontier Prison, Rawlins, Wyoming. Kinda running out of room on this side, but we'll put it back there. And then maybe 2 more there. Then we'll have to come wrapping around the front for our Lincoln Highway magnet collection here. Kind of unique this time of year because you get a little bit more of an intimate tour, like it was just a tour guide and Jackson and I, nobody else for that. So that was really unique, and I'm only going to show you guys about 5% of the entire thing. You guys got to go try it for yourself. It's an hour-long tour, and the gas chamber and the gallows are just so unique and so cool. So, got to check it out, but right now, I don't care how far off Lincoln Highway I have to get. It is time to find a campground that is out in nature. Don't care about cell service or anything. Just gotta get there. So that's our mission right now. mission accomplished. Fire ring, picnic table. Check this out. Just a short little walk from my RV. It's this beautiful river. Don't know what the name of the river is because I still don't have service, obviously. GPS will not load this body of water right here, but this is the Dugway BLM free campground for 14 days. So, mission accomplished. Got exactly what I want. Just need some sunshine and warmth now. Anyways, check back in with you guys in a couple days on the Lincoln Highway. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.